No. No. Sit. Sit. No. No. Sit. 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 Good. Sit. No. 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 Okay. Sit. Sit. Yes. Sit. Biko, sit. Okay. And we've never walked toward this house, this corner, because there's always dogs barking at the fence. Here you go. Good boy for turning in here and coming to me. I got a new couch from my sister. I really miss my old one because somebody took it the other day. But that's okay. Okay. Once he stays focused on me. And we're gonna pass this house here. We'd never ever go this way because of those dogs barking. Hopefully good, he's staying and looking towards me. Good boy. Okay, good. Let's continue to see what happens. Here you go. This way. Good boy. We'll go this way. So far no dogs. But we're lucky today. So we just passed by there were German Shepards that came to the fence and they barked at him. But he was just acting like this. He wasn't whining if he didn't bark, which is great. Look at your tape going back. There, you hear him? This way. Come. Good boy. Shh, shh, shh. Good boy. And I noticed that when I'm running, he's running beside me, he stays more focused on me. And we'll run past that house with the German Shepherds. Okay. And there's that house with the German Shepherds up ahead. We're just going to go back and forth a little bit here. Here. This way. Good boy. I'll go back and forth before I go down there. Yes, good boy. Let's stay focused on him. I'll go and hold his camera out. Good job. There's that dog. Here. Good boy. Good boy. Yes, good one. Let's go. Good boy. Shh. This way. Good boy. This way. Good boy. If you think about it like that, it's just... Shh. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Maybe have him sit here. Maybe have him sit. 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 Good. Yeah. I'm going to wait till he stops whining. Did not edit. Good. Good. Good job. Good job. Nope. Good morning. Shh. Sit around. Shh. 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 Good morning. No. Shh. supposed to be turning around and smelling them. No, settle down.